I will explain you 4 types of energy sources in just 3 minutes. Solar energy.
A solar panel operates using a special material called silicon, which has a special property called photovoltaic effect. This means that silicon can convert light into electricity.
A large solar farm can produce around 200 gigawatts of energy per year. With that energy, you could wash the entire laundry of the population of Utah and Wyoming combined at the same time. Wind energy.
A wind turbine is very simple and very big. Its large blades are aerodynamically designed to move with ease, to transform the invisible energy of the wind to electricity, thanks to a rotor, which is similar to a car alternator, but very big. Big.
A wind farm is able to produce 600 gigawatts of energy in a year. This is 400 more than a big solar farm. This means you could use like 300 million electric toothbrushes simultaneously for a full year non-stop. Hydroelectric energy.
And here we have the goat of the renewable energy, the hydroelectric power. It's very simple. You just use the water. It can be a river, ocean, a lake, but you use the water pressure to create electricity.
As you can see, it's always something that moves a turbine. But a large hydroelectric plant can produce 7,800 gigawatts per year. You could fully charge 520 billion iPhones simultaneously. However, let's welcome the Giga Chad of energy.
Nuclear power.
So let's go into a realistic simulator to learn how to use a nuclear reactor. Okay guys, so here we are in the nuclear reactor. We have the uranium rods that are inside those tubes. We have it here. The hot water is coming off and going to this turbine. As you can see, the steam, it's moving a turbine that's inside there. And this is the return. This is the second cycle of the water. It goes through the reactor again. And this is our cycle. This process generates electricity. As you can see, we have the batteries full right here. A medium-sized nuclear power plant can produce 32,200 gigawatts per year. You could keep an air fryer running for 2.4 million years, or you could have 22 million air fryers running simultaneously for a day. Investing in these sources of energies and expecting benefits in the future, it's like nuclear, hydroelectric, wind, and solar. Now the problem is that this type of energy is radioactive, right? But what if I told you that nuclear energy is more efficient, less polluting, and safer than all other forms? I've just run out of time, so you need to read my article now.